Welcome! A team of 10 agents carefully reviewed your policies and gently placed them in a red envelope. Our CEO, Chief Engagement Officer, whispered quietly to the envelope, "You take good care of our new customers and treat them like family." In celebration, we invite you to get a front row parking space at our office on Belvedere Drive and enjoy anything from our snack bar and let us get to know you a little better. While we don't like to brag, we do want to share a few things about the award-winning agency that you've just joined. Our agency is affiliated with the largest insurance company in the US, ranking in the top 50 among over 18,000 agencies since 2003. We are quickly accessible by phone, email, or mobile app. Let us know your communication preference and if you want to hear from us often or hardly at all. We love to celebrate with you during the good times, so please let us know when you've had a major life event, so we can work with you to make sure you get the protection you need. And in keeping you protected, let us know when things don't go right, so we can help you through tough times too. Your referral is the greatest compliment. When talking with friends or neighbors that are looking for the same great service we pledge to give you, please share our name. More than an insurance office, we want to be part of your family and be the last insurance agency you ever need.